Welcome everybody, this is Mike.marko speaking here, and I'm going to give everybody a little tip on how to use your Influx Entrepreneur blog and how to basically map your blog to your new URL. So if you got your own new URL for your website and you want to basically have it mapped over the standard Influx Entrepreneur URL, it's actually quite simple. I'm going to walk you through the steps very briefly through this little tutorial. So first of all, once you once you get logged in, what we're going to do here is we're going to scroll down. Okay, we're going to look under Tools, and then select Domain Mapping. Click on that. Okay. Now, this is what we're going to do. I've already mapped out one of the drives here, but I'm going to do is a little test drive here and just kind of map out another one that I have since I can, because I actually have another domain. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type that in. Let's see, make sure I'm not in caps. Okay, so that is my new URL. It's a good idea, as now on the topic here, is really to have a URL in your own name. You want to claim that as quickly as possible, because you start basically as you start going out there and creating your own identity and basically promoting yourself out there, you want to make sure you've captured that name, so that way that when you have that brand, in this case the Mike.marko brand, or we also have the Bren and Mike brand, you don't want someone taking that. You want to take that URL now before someone else snatches it up and tries to charge you several $100s for it. So you have this. I'm going to add it. Give it a second here. Now you can see here that it is been created. I still want my primary to be the Bren and Mike. Okay, so that is all you need to do on the entrepreneur side. So what I'm going to show you here is I actually use Namecheap. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I've already done the map of the one. So what I'm actually going to do here is I'm actually going to my account and I'm going to manage domains. I'm going to open up a new tab. Okay, so in this case here, I'm going to go to my new URL. Okay, and I'm going to go down and select all host records. Again, if you're using a different one like GoDaddy or something like that, you may want to talk to providers if you've never mapped it before. I've heard a lot of good things about GoDaddy. I know with Namecheap, I just go online with the 24-hour support, and they walk me through anytime I have any issues. So there should be no problem there. So what I'm going to do here is I'm kind of going to cheat a little bit here. I'm just basically going to do is going to copy everything over here. But really all it is here, and it's basically influxentrepreneur.info. Okay, so that's really our top level blog. Everybody else is basically, all your blog posts are really sub to that. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that over. I'm going to go Control A for delete, and now I'm going to Control V to paste it over. Okay. Control A, delete, and paste it. Okay. I just want to check I got everything selected here. So basically, we're going to use CNAMEs on both of them. Okay, so you have CNAME. Now, in this case here, let's create the new blog. I'm sorry, I'm just going to have to switch over to my cheat sheet here, make sure I have it done right. So in this case, Mike.marko. And I'm pretty sure it is basically the same thing over again. So it's actually just Control V. So I have influxentrepreneur.info. I have the CNAME again. And in this case here, 1800 is the standard default for this. So I'm going to go here and now save changes. It's processing. And there we go. It's all done. So once you've done that, give it, I would say, several minutes. So sometimes it takes a day, but I've never seen that. At least with Namecheap, it usually takes within 5 or 10 minutes. It usually takes. If you type in your new URL and it doesn't take, make sure you clear cache. Okay, a lot of times I find myself, I've done this before, you start complaining to your tech support and say, what's going on here? Why isn't it working? And they basically, did you clear your cache? And I said, no. So that's really what it is. So that is it for now. Stay tuned for other tutorials. Okay, have a good one. Thanks a lot. Bye.